What is it that turns heads? The right power at your command? That look coming down the road? These are reliable machines that deliver the goods and put on the show. They get the respect. The next city, the next gig, how you feel behind the wheel matters. Because sometimes you're gone for weeks. You forge a bond, make a statement. You're never just part of the crowd. At every turn, with every stop, always in the black. The bottom line is the job gets done, and you earn your keep. This truck is a salute to the grind and the ones who keep it going. Introducing the limited edition Mac Black Anthem. Are you in?
Hey, I'm two-time Daytona 500 champion Michael Waltrip, and I know a little bit about being in tight situations. And Mac's new Command Steer returns the wheel to zero, helping drivers in tight backup situations. And the technology reduces the steering effort by 85%. This is Tony Fripp, NASCAR hauler driver. Today, he's been checking out this new Mac Anthem with Command Steer, and I want to check it out. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's check it out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Your seat's over there.
Oh.
Yeah.
There must be 100 tractor trailers in the infield of a NASCAR race. I think that's why Command Steer is going to be such an asset to you, because I've seen these trucks just squeezed into little tracks like Bristol where there isn't a couple inches between them all.
Well, you're right, Mike. With the new Command Steer, it's pretty much effortless. Turn it like this, one finger it.
Wow.
It corrects itself for you.
Takes it back to
Get
zero.
back in, yes, sir. You come back around real easy, play with it with a finger. Look at there. Then it comes back around for me, help me catch it back up. See there? Piece of cake, Mikey. Game changer right here. This is definitely a game changer.
Also in Bezug auf den 770S ist jetzt der Vorteil und das ganze bayerische Oberland betreut, das jetzt mein Kollege Beat Frohmann übernommen hat. Sehr schön löser vom Raumvolumen her und von der Anordnung der Instrumente absolut top gemacht, ergonomisch für den Fahrer, wunderbar und funktionell. Ja, das Fahrzeug macht natürlich unendlich Spaß, die Leistung ist unerschöpflich. Eigentlich ist man immer vorne dabei, eben Bett eingebaut, oben überhaupt der Windschutzscheibe. Und der Boden, die Rückwände, der Dachhimmel wurde alles komplett gelegt.
Welcome. My name is Jacob. The new Model 579 is the most technologically advanced and fuel-efficient Peterbilt ever, achieving up to 7% fuel savings thanks to next-generation MX-13 engine with state-of-the-art predictive cruise control and the all-new Epic Max package. Also, the driver environment is more than 10% quieter due to smoother engine operation, a crank-mounted fan, an engine-mounted air cleaner, and acoustically tuned engine mounts. our extensive field validation. Starting up front, the new hood and bumper maximize aerodynamic performance with a bolder, stronger look, while retaining that signature Peterbilt class. The bright crown, stainless steel grille sheet and 3 bars, as well as fender valleys and low fenders, make this truck immediately recognizable as a Peterbilt and a 579. LED headlamps have superior light coverage and uniformity, providing drivers an excellent view of the road while reducing eye fatigue. Every LED headlamp includes infrared heaters to keep the lens clear in bad weather. An industry first and Peterbilt exclusive is the custom 3-function LED lamp in the bumper. It has a fog light function for near field view. Available with integrated camera system, are cab mounted to improve routings. The sculpted mirror head is optimized to ensure drivers can see the top of a trailer while backing. The optional factory installed camera system provides a clear view of the road behind the truck and along the passenger side in all conditions with multiple views. Automatic trailer tracking and night vision. The fairing along the A-pillar directs air across the side of the cab, improving aerodynamics and quieting wind noise. The chassis fairings and closeouts are all new as well. A real highlight is the tool-free tip-out and removal. This provides great access to batteries, fuel tanks, APUs, and the aftertreatment system. The interior of the new Model 579 is quiet, comfortable, and ergonomic, with excellent visibility. We offer 3 interior trim levels: Prestige, Premier, and Platinum. All 3 are available in sterling gray. The Platinum level has a saddle tan option with dark brown accents. Updated Platinum interiors have a more luxurious wood grain. Dark dash and door pad uppers, as well as kick panels, are included in all trim levels for reduced glare and a sleek appearance. The most notable change in the cab, the electric motor, also reduces the effort to turn the wheel, particularly helpful when lining up a trailer or maneuvering at a terminal. In addition to display interaction, the steering wheel controls feature audio and phone functions on the right. The buttons on the left are for cruise control, road speed limiter, and trip. The toggle adjusts predictive cruise settings, as well as following distance for adaptive cruise. The new switches are wider for improved legibility and can be used as a toggle or a rocker. B-panel options include the smart nav shown here, up to 6 round gauges. The cup holder provides extra storage, room for large cups, and plenty of knee room. Various combinations of 12-volt, USB, and lighter outlets are also available. The 80-inch ultra-loft sleeper continues to be the driver's favorite, with 70 cubic feet of storage, 8 feet of headroom, the largest mattresses in its class, and clever stowaway ladder. New on Platinum, the integrated PACCAR powertrain with efficient and durable MX engines, lightweight PACCAR 12-speed transmission, and hyper-efficient PACCAR 40K. The PX9 and X15 engines are also available, as well as natural gas options. And remember, every Peterbilt Class 8 truck comes standard with a 2-year SmartLink subscription, including remote.
The world's longest network of roads, by more than 1 million miles, it's right here, in North America. The one truck, created to take on every challenge those roads can deliver. Right here, the all-new Volvo VNL. Better efficiency, uptime and performance. The new VNL is a leap forward in every way that counts. Years in the making. These are changes you feel, and miles you don't. Every day, every run. It's ready whenever you are for every load, every test, while seeing further, shifting smoother, staying safer. To tackle the biggest, most complex roadmap on Earth, there's one clear answer. The new Volvo VNL, the shape of trucks to come.